In this video, the Bitcoin price has finally broken out of this major resistance. But the question is, are we out of the woods? And we are also going to dive in with the Bitcoin dominance as we want to give you an update on the state of the whole crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So last night, we saw a massive breakout dito sa ating major resistance to Bitcoin, and you can see na we finally had that buy volume coming in with the Bitcoin price breaking out from this major resistance of around the 51,000 US dollars. So right now, we are breaking out from this area, and you can see na we finally have a buy volume indicating na it's more likely going to the upside. But if you're going to look at this in the RSI, you can see now we are already overbought. So yeah, we are going to expect a minor pullback dito or either consolidation. So you could either say na this could consolidate muna or somewhat have a pullback. And you can see na this is also confluent with the 20 moving average or 21 EMA. Either way, pwede mo siya i-follow. But yeah, pwede dun siya magkaroon ng support. But if not, ang pinaka-ideal talaga is the 50 moving average dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. And right now, malayo-layo pa tayo doon. So, malayo-layo pa yung pwede natin i-consolidate at i-pull back. So, as much as possible, we want the RSI indicator to reset before moving into major movements kay Bitcoin. Para at least kahit paano, hindi tayo maging overbought dito sa ating price action. Kasi right now, overbought na tayo. This means, hindi siya buying opportunity. So, kahit paano, mas maganda dapat na magkaroon tayo ng pullback para pwede tayo ulit mag-re-entry. So, ngayon yun yung aking inaabangan. And if we're going to look at the early time frame, you could actually use the early time frame as a time frame na pwede mong tingnan if you want to re-enter, kasi you can see na yung mga moving averages natin such as 20 and 50 can be a confluent target. You can see na pwede tayong mag-bounce dun sa ating mga 20 moving average. You can see pati din dito 50 moving average. So yun yung mga pwede mong tingnan dito. I think the best re-entry point for the Bitcoin price is always the 50 moving average regardless, kahit anong time frame. So right now dito, if you want to trade for the very short term, follow the 50 moving average closely or the 20 moving average. In the 4-hour time frame, okay yung 20 moving average for re-entry, but I think ang pinaka-ideal talaga is the 50 moving average. And right now, ang ating next resistance na lang dito is actually this 58,000 US dollars. So it's possible na after nitong breakout, mag-consolidate tayo dito kay Bitcoin between the 50,000 up until the 58,000. As you can see, meron din tayo actually na major support, which is the 47 up until the 51,000 US dollars. So right now, the 47 up until the 51,000 US dollars will now act as a major support. So zooming out, you can see na we still don't have any buy volume dito sa ating Bitcoin price. So we are not yet out of the woods pa kung tutuusin. So it's possible na mag-consolidate tayo dito in the coming days or just for us to reset the indicators lang talaga. Pero yun nga, hindi pa significant yung buy volume. It's either na siguro in the coming days padadating yung buy volume para umakyat. Pero yes, sa ngayon wala pa tayong buy volume, and as of now, huddle pa din ako dito, and I will just be buying the dip if magkaroon tayo ng dip. And yeah, yun muna tayo for the Bitcoin price. You can see na kailangan natin na magkaroon ng volume as compared sa dati, di ba? Yung dating nag-pump si Bitcoin after the September month, after ng September red month, nagkaroon tayo ng buy volume which confirmed a movement to the upside for the Bitcoin price dito sa long term. So right now, yun yung ating inaabangan, which is magkaroon din tayo ng buy volume sa daily para mag-continue na itong price action sa ating long-term bull market. So that's for the Bitcoin price. Siguro follow the 4-hour time frame closely lang kasi shorter time frames can be misleading, so that's why when in doubt, zoom out. And guys, I currently still have my Bitcoin long position open, and if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, I highly suggest you trade it with Bing Bond. And Bing Bond kasi dyan mas mura yung trading fees as compared to other platforms like Binance. So it's either na Bing Bond or Femix. And if you want to claim bonus sa inyong mga Bing Bond trade, just use my sign up link na makita mo dyan in the description down below. So guys, if hindi pa kayo nakapag-register dito, just use my sign up link lang guys. And last but not the least, let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. So ito yung reason na bakit di ako masyado nag-follow ng altcoins lately. It's because of this Bitcoin dominance. Kasi, just a quick review, paulit-ulit natin itong sinasabi itong review na to. Whenever the dominance is going down, doon magiging healthy altcoins. Pero if the dominance is going up, then doon tayo mag-focus kay Bitcoin. Or that will be a Bitcoin season. Thus, maiwanan yung altcoin sa pump or it will bleed against Bitcoin. So, ang ideal scenario dito is for dominance to go down para kahit papano yung ating mga altcoins ay maging healthy. So, right now, nagkaroon tayo ng massive pump dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance indicating na mapapag-iwanan yung altcoins. So, nakita natin nangyari yun. But right now, we have this major resistance dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. You can see na meron tayong resistance na nag-form. You can see na meron tayong dyan bounces, and then na-break natin siya. Previously, it was a resistance, naging support, and then nung last support siya, nag-breakdown tayo dyan and it acted as a resistance. So right now, this is another Bitcoin dominance resistance na we are going to watch out. And guys, this is going to be either a good news or a bad news. So ano ba yung good news dito? If let's say na-reject to at nag-decline siya further, then that is a good news for us, indicating na from there on, mag-follow tayo ulit ng altcoins. Pero if this breaks to the upside, then we are going to stick more with Bitcoin for the time being in the coming days. So right now, ito muna yung tinitingnan ko, Bitcoin dominance before entering into any other altcoins. Though meron akong mga altcoins na naka-open ngayon, it's just that mahirap mag-technical analysis ng mga altcoins when the Bitcoin dominance is going up kasi it's more likely na ma-invalidate yung mga TA natin if, let's say, unstable si Bitcoin tapos pataas yung dominance. Then in that case, what I would do is follow Bitcoin first and Bitcoin dominance before entering to altcoins. So the moment na mag-decline to, then doon tayo ulit mag-focus sa ating mga altcoin trades natin or altcoin TA natin. May mga trades tayo naka-open, it's just that yung TA lang talaga ng for altcoins is mahirapan tayo when the dominance is going up. So yun muna yung update natin for today. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.